Hey guys, this is Martin for TechBlockPool, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the GoPro Hero 6 Black. Okay, let's get to it. I have my handy knife. Let's open this box. There's the little sticker over here, but I wonder if I should actually cut it or just try to unstick it. It's a little bit of a mess because it's this super security sticker. Leaves a little damage to the box, but what can we do? One more on the other side, of course. God, I hate them for this. Can you actually nicely take this off? I don't think so. Okay. And still a little bit on this side. Perhaps you actually can. I'll give it a try. Okay. Does it? Oh, damn it. No? Okay. Stupid me. It actually opens from the bottom. Yes, it does. There you go. Ta-da! No need to take those stickers off if you have them. Okay, let's take a look at the box first. So on the back side, let me focus. Okay, on the back side we have a commercial for the Quick Stories app, which is available for both the App Store and the GoPlay Store. It's a really cool app which helps you create instant videos from your footage. On the side we have all the different kinds of accessories which you can buy, or no, it actually says includes, so everything should be included, which I guess is the GoPro, the cover. This looks like a battery, a screw, cable, and different kinds of mounts, I guess. On the front it tells us that, yeah, this is the GoPro 6 Black, 12 megapixel pictures, 4K at 60 frames, and waterproof up to 10 meters. Okay, and at the bottom, just the serial numbers. Okay, opening the box. Let me refocus. There's a pull-out tab. Does it actually pull out? Well, it should, but it doesn't really want to. Why not? Okay. So, as it turns out, you have to really pull out hard to pry it out of the case. Cool. Let's refocus. Okay. So, right under the camera, they tell us to detach it. No, don't detach it. Okay, so we should press this up, this little thingy over here, and then what? Unscrew, I guess. Oh, okay, so you're supposed to press these and just pull. Ta-da! Okay, this was just too funny. So what do we have? Here we have the case, here we have the GoPro. First, let's take a look at what we have inside, what is actually packed in. I'll put the GoPro here on the side. So first up is, you break it, we'll replace it. Kind of a care plan, I guess. Some GoPro stickers, some paperwork, I guess just manual or something. Okay, here's some sticky attachment. This looks like the battery. Yeah, really nice, pretty tiny battery with a little, let me refocus, with a little thingy to pull it out from the camera. A cable, this is a USB-C cable, so that's great, it's fast. Let's check how long it is. Okay, so half a meter, if even half a meter. Okay, there's another attachment thing, a little different. This one is oval and this one is a little bit less. And on the other side, no. And that's it. Okay, so the GoPro with its mount at the bottom, 2 attachment mounts, 1 battery, 1 cable, and stickers. And of course on the GoPro you can see that it already has the cover on top of it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This has been an unboxing of the GoPro Hero 6 Black.